In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Google Notebooklm to create content. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Notebooklm website. Once the page loads, you will land on the main dashboard. This is your starting point for creating a new workspace where you can gather information, ask questions, and produce content based on your sources. Next, create a new notebook. On the dashboard, click the button that says Create New. This opens a fresh notebook that will hold your materials and your conversation. Think of this notebook as a project folder for one topic, client, or content idea. Keeping one main theme per notebook helps your results stay focused and easier to organize. Now it is time to add your sources. In the pop-up, select the type of sources you want to upload. You can choose PDFs, paste YouTube links, or pull files from your Google Drive. After you add them, you will see your materials appear in the source panel on the left side. This panel is important because Notebooklm will base its responses on what you provide here. For best results, use sources that are directly related to the content you want to create and add more than one source when possible so the tool has enough context. Once your sources are loaded, move to the chat panel in the center. This is where you analyze your materials by typing a question. Ask for summaries, key takeaways, outlines, or supporting details. When Notebooklm answers, it will include clickable citations. Use those citations to quickly jump back to the exact place in your sources where the information came from. This helps you verify accuracy and makes it easier to pull quotes or references for your final content. After you have the information you need, go to the Studio panel on the right. Here, you can generate instant outputs. Click Audio Overview for a spoken style recap, Slide Deck to create presentation-ready structure, or Video Overview to get a video-focused summary format. These outputs are useful starting points that you can refine into a script, a post, or a full presentation. Finally, whenever you see a helpful response, click Save to Note. This lets you collect the best pieces as you go, so you do not lose important details and you can build your content faster. That covers everything you need to know.